Apologize, I got cut off there a little bit, but I wanted to talk to you about this. So there's different things we can use when we're trying to compare and contrast different graphical behaviors. Okay, so I'm just going to read through some possibilities. You can use these on your assignment to kind of help you out through this. So for instance, you can always say it's always increasing from the left to the right, or maybe it's always decreasing from the left to the right. Okay, if it's going left to right upwards, it's increasing. If it's going left to right downwards, it's decreasing. Okay, the graph both increases and decreases. Maybe it's having difference between the two, right? We saw some of those graphs up here where it was kind of increasing and decreasing. Let's go up here a little bit more. Okay, increasing and decreasing here, increasing and decreasing here. Okay, so you could say that. You could also say, maybe it's a straight line, or maybe has a smooth curve, right? I just showed you some of those as well. This has a smooth curve here. Okay, discrete data, which means those points. So it's discrete when it has just points. So this is a discrete graph because it's just points, whereas like Q here is a constant line. So that wouldn't be considered discrete. Okay, so you'll learn that official definition tomorrow. Um, the graph has a maximum value, or maybe it has a minimum value. So like if it doesn't go past a certain point, so let me scroll up a little bit here. So Q and J have a minimum value. It's not going to go past that point. Okay. Whereas if we're looking at E, it has a maximum value because it's never going to go higher than that point. So there's a difference between those two as well. Whether it's a function or not, hopefully you know what a function is or not a function. A function we'll talk more about tomorrow, but determining the difference between what is a function and not a function as well. The graph goes through all the origins. Maybe it just goes through one. Maybe it goes through all four. Maybe it just goes through one and three. All right. So make sure you know what those are as well. Again, I kind of showed you back here, right, what the quadrants are. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then what else do we got here? If it has a U shape or a V shape. Okay, so those are just different graphical things you can use when you're doing your activity. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and start your assignment.